In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Mailerlite paid newsletter. You're going to combine three pieces to make this work smoothly. Mailerlite to deliver your emails, a payment platform to handle subscriptions, and a simple automation that grants access right after someone pays. The end result is clean and reliable. Someone pays, they're added to your premium group in Mailerlite, and they immediately start receiving your paid newsletter. Start by creating your premium group inside Mailerlite. Head to subscribers and create a clear dedicated group for paid members. Something like premium newsletter, paid members, or VIP subscribers works great. Keep the name obvious so you always know this group is for people who have an active subscription. This is the heart of your access control, so everything else will plug into this group. Next, build your automation. Go to automations and create a workflow with the trigger set to Joins Premium Group. That means the moment a new paid subscriber is added, your emails begin. Add a warm welcome email to confirm their purchase and set expectations, then schedule your recurring premium content, weekly issues, exclusive updates, or whatever cadence you've promised. Use personalization where you can, and make sure the from name and reply to settings match your brand so replies land in the right place. Now, set up your payment page. Stripe payment links is the most popular and straightforward option, but platforms like Sendowl, Gumroad, or Paddle work well too. Offer a monthly subscription, an annual membership, or both, with a clear description of what subscribers get. Keep the checkout simple, brand it to match your newsletter, and make sure the product name aligns with the premium group you created. With payments ready, connect them to Mailerlite using an automation tool like Zapier. Create a workflow that listens for a new Stripe payment or subscription, then adds or updates the subscriber in Mailerlite and places them into your premium group. Map the email address carefully, include the first name if you collect it, and set the status to subscribed. Test the workflow end to end with a small test purchase to confirm the contact lands in the right group and triggers your automation. If you prefer, tools like Make or native integrations can achieve the same connection. The flow stays the same. Once that's in place, you're done. Every new paid subscriber will automatically receive your exclusive newsletters, member-only updates, and paid content on schedule. Keep your content consistent, monitor engagement in Mailerlite, and refine your emails over time for the best results.